Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome not responding on mobile, or how to fix Google Chrome does not open when you click on it. First, I would recommend that you close all the apps in the background. So you'll double tap on your home button and simply close all the open apps. After you have done this, by closing all of the apps, I would recommend that you go into your App Store and you're going to type in Google Chrome. Here it is. And you're going to check if Google Chrome needs updating. If it doesn't need updating, you'll leave it right there. But if it does, please update it. After you have done that, you're going to go into settings if it doesn't need updating. And from here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select General. Then you're going to select iPhone Storage and give it a second to load up. And here it's going to load up all of the apps and all of the memory that is being used on your iPhone. Just give it a few seconds. And here you can simply scroll down. And right where you see Google right here, you're going to tap on it. And from here, you're going to tap on Offload App, as this will free up storage space. Tap on Offload App. And that's it. After you have done that, I would recommend that you tap on Reinstall App. And once the app has been reinstalled, you can then turn off your iPhone and then turn it back on, and that normally does the trick. If this works, be sure to hit the like button and also tell me in the comment section. And thank you for watching.